Hi, I got 2016 Lexus rcF. Today I'm taking the door handle and the mirror off on this Lexus here. Never done it before. There's nothing wrong with the door. Just taking the door handle off and the mirror and the belt molding, so we got a blend on this door so color will match. So let's try to take it off. It's a new car, so I've never done it. So first I'm going to try where the screws are. Looks like it's all hidden. I'll show you the interior of this one. And now I'll put a pause into this and I'll go get my tools and I'll come back and then show you how I take this return panel. Okay, I'm back. I'd gather some tools here. These are my tools. I got a little screwdriver, trim panel remover, and a fiber stick. And a pick. Forget about this one. So, and putty knife. And that's for now. Now I'm just going to go find where the actual screws and stuff is. Just going to go underneath here, see if it. Okay. I found one here. One screw here. And yeah, I just feel with my hand, see where all the screws located on this one. Looks like it's all hidden. So I will take the screws out first. There may be ones in here. Let's just try this one. Okay, let's just try to pop this cover off. Okay, there's one screws in here. Take this one off. Okay, so yeah, I think there's something by the handle here, because that's where you grab on the door and try to open and close, so it's got to be something here. I don't know if you can see, there's a mat underneath here, so we're gonna try to get to the sharp down here, like my pick going down here. And yes, there is there's screws down here. I don't know if you can see it. There's screws down there. I gotta take that one out too. Okay, here it is. Okay. And now let's just see if that's coming off. I've got this thing here under wedge underneath the trim panel, and just give it a little, pry and see if it's coming off. Usually I get my hand, once it budge, try to get my hand down and pull on it, see if it's coming off. Like it's very tight because this is still new. It's 2016. I don't think it's been opened. Yeah, it's coming. You can see it's moving. This side here is open now. Yeah, but it's open, but something's stiff. Something is very stiff around here. So it's holding it back here. So I think there's something in that in this switch right here, like motor switch, door lock. So we're gonna try to get this here. This fiber sticks in there, so I won't damage the trim panel and the trim. So okay, see how I budge it up here. Okay, now that's off. So yeah, there's 2 screws in here. One here and one inside here. Okay, so I'm gonna take those off. Yeah, I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. I'm gonna go and put both of my hands on there so it will work. Because one hand won't work, the screws is too tight. So you have to put pressure on it and turn it, because the screws are new, they're tight. Okay, we got one off, and then one more to go. Okay, that second one. Now unplug this thing here, this one, pull it in, and pull it out. That's this way. Now, let's just try. See, it's already coming off here. So just here, pull around a little bit. Okay, there we go. It's already off. So there's 2 cables. Take these 2 cables out. I don't know if you can see. Let me move this thing so you can see better. Here's a wire in here, and there's just these 2 cables that goes into here. I'm gonna move my hand so you can see it. There's 2 cables in here that need to be out, and there's another one. That's the wire for the trim light down there. So I'm gonna take these 3 out, and then the trim panel should be coming off. And let me put this back onto where it is, and then I'll take it off, and then we'll see. Okay, now the trim panel is off. You gotta put it on the side. And now the mirror there, I think there's a wire for the mirror to go inside the door, and I will pull this off too and have a look. Sorry I got cut off there. I'm back and now I show you where I left off. The bolt for the mirror, I think it goes to these holes here, and there's a plastics. Got to peel out these plastics, and these holes here should be access to the mirror base mount, and the mirror wire, I believe it's in this here, the connection right here, and then take this plastic cover off, and it should be the wire should go through for the mirror, and I'm just going to do that. I'm going to leave the phone down again so I can get to it. Off. I gotta roll down the actual window so I can get to the mirror, because the glass is blocking the bolt. I can't do it. So I got the power back on, but I gotta plug this into the switch back on so I can roll it down. Okay, that's all the way down. I gotta go get my socket. Sorry, I'm not organizing here, so it'll take a bit of time to take my socket from my tools here. So in here, but I better sure unplug this and the mirror ready to go. There's inside here is the attachment for the wire. So I gotta take that off first. Sure it's free, and looks like it's free. This is out now. So there's 3 volts, 3 nut that goes to the mirror. 1. 2. Hold on to the mirror before I fall. And 3. 3 here. Now you pull the mirror out. Okay, it's out. And I can roll the glass back up. I'm going to take this one out and I'll readjust my phone and I'll show you. I'm just going to take the door handle off. Okay. Okay, for the door handle, there's this plug right here that you have to pull out. I'm just going to use my finger and pull it out. It's pretty easy. Okay, and it's out. And now you can see though inside here, there's our screws in there. And I'm gonna unscrew that, but I think there's something else. You gotta cut the plastics in here, and there's a retainer in there, that whole part of the handle. So I'm just gonna leave this down, and I will try to take that handle off. So I'm going to use a sharp razor blade and cut this plastic out. So I will cut the glue out here. And okay, that's that. And it's a torque, so I go get a torque. And it's this torque right here. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing here. Okay, loosen this one right in there. Loosen the screws in there. Once it's loose, and this here should be free. This part here, it should be free now. See, it's free, but then this hand's too tight. So I think it's inside here. Here is this lever right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this lever in here, you gotta pull this lever or something back. I'm not too sure, but yeah, you see how I did it? I pinched them together, this right here, to my finger, and pinched them together and pull them out. That would release the other end of the handle. And there is a switch on this handle here. I will have to get my tools in here and try to open it up. I'll get a flashlight so I'll show you. I'm gonna stop here. We'll get a flashlight. I'll show you. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you the inside of the handle. Taking the switch off the inside of it to release the handle from the outside. There is a tab right here, and one right here, and one up on here, and there's another one right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. So as long as I release those, and the switch should be coming off like the plug. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and do that. There. And then there, and then another one right about here, Okay, there we go. That's that. And go to the front side of it. You should be able to, I should be able to pull the handle. Okay, and pull on a handle. It should be coming out. And then bend a little bit on the front here to pull it out. And it's coming out. And I have the handle out. And that's it. Thank you for watching.